It's a raining. Pew 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 pew. It is. So this was my hike to Great Falls, Virginia, in Great Falls, Virginia, and I went with my family. This is my twin brother in the shot. Honestly, we hiked for about 2 hours, around 2 hours, maybe a little bit less. It was a fairly easy trail, so I wouldn't. There was a lot of families, so it wasn't anything difficult. The only thing that was difficult was the fact that it had rained and stormed a lot. So there's like a crazy amount of puddles, and it was kind of slippery, especially as you get towards like the rocks. But yeah, it was. I had a lot of fun. It was like one of the first trails I'd done in a while. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip forward a bit. But yeah, I definitely would recommend going. It's pretty accessible, and we went when the weather was like perfect. Honestly, this was like 2 weeks ago, but yeah. And this is where we were getting up to. It was such a beautiful view. It was so nice. And there were people to my left, they were hiking, or they were climbing. But yeah, here are pictures that I took.